Open the printer cover by lifting the latch. Remove the print ribbon and remove the cleaning sleeve. And if your printer does have lamination, remove the laminator cartridge. Also remove any cards that are in the input hopper. And any that may be in the output hopper. To access the cleaning menu on the front panel, press the arrow keys until you get to Diagnostics. Once you get to Diagnostics, hit the Enter key. Before you hit Enter on cleaning card, make sure the cleaning card's in there. Remove it from the package. Place it in the input hopper, just under the gate, and press Enter. To access the cleaning menu on the printer driver on your computer, there should be a printer toolbox icon on your system tray down in the lower right hand corner. Double click on the printer icon. That initiates the printer toolbox. Simply click the Clean Printer button in the printer toolbox. Make sure that your cleaning card is in the input hopper when you click OK, because that will feed it through. If you can't find your printer toolbox icon in your system tray, simply click the Start button. Make sure the cleaning card is in there before you hit OK. Once the cleaning card is ejected to the output hopper and the card is still wet, you can send it through again. If it's dry, don't try sending it through it. Once the cleaning cycle has been completed, you replace all the supplies, the ribbon, and replace the cleaning sleeve by pinching one end. Take the old one off. Put the new one on. Don't throw away the core. And remove the protective paper, so now it becomes sticky again, and place it back in the printer. Close the printer and you're ready to print. The laminate, if your printer has it. In the event that you need to run a cleaning cycle before you have to change a ribbon, Higgins offers supplies that you can use to clean your printer. There's a package of 10 cleaning cards and a package of 5 cleaning sleeves.